YouTube, welcome to another exciting episode of Driving Up Stocks. As always, I am your wonderful host, Cody. Thank you for tuning in. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, check out my other ones. Really appreciate the support. We got videos on ETFs. If you don't know what that is, we got goal videos. We've got videos on vision boards, which is like a goal setting type board. If you've never seen that kind of stuff, we got all kinds of stuff. Check out the playlist for Driving Up Stocks. It's great. So this one is going to be a Robinhood portfolio update. This will be our midweek update. Let's see, what was yesterday? 4/22. So it'll be for the trading day ending 4/22 Wednesday night. So since our last update on Monday, we've had a lot of activity in the portfolio. We are down, actually. We ended the trading day last night at $145.29. So we're down about $4 for the week. What was that? It's about 2.5% since Monday that we've dropped. So not horrible, considering how everything started off on Monday. Everything was really down since our end of the week update last week there, or Monday, sorry. We ended up kind of on a high note. Monday is when all the news hit, with the oil stocks crashing, basically, where oil is selling for -$1 a barrel, and of course, no, that doesn't mean they're giving away gas or anything like that. Don't get your hopes up, don't get too excited. I apologize if you hear things banging around behind me. As I've mentioned in my last few videos, I am in the process of moving. So I've got stuff spread all over the back of my car, trying to get from one place to the other, and then there's just some stuff that sits loose. And normally when the seats are up, everything's all nice and secure, but right now it's kind of like just flopping around back there. Oh, that sounds terrible. Sorry about that. But I've got like some, the baseball bats, softballs and stuff. I take the kids out to the park, try to keep everybody active. But anyhow, so we were down just a little bit, about 2.5% on the week. With our midweek update here. Did have quite a bit of activity. Monday, what did we do? Monday, I did go in and get another $2 worth of Realty Income stock. That is still down a little bit. So I went in, I got that around $52 a share. Again, it's a fractional share. I just put in $2. So I'm at 0.16, basically 0.17 shares, so got almost 0.2 of a share. Actually have seen an increase since I've been again, everything's very slow in our portfolio because we're so small. But originally, when we first bought a little bit into Realty Income, our first dividend payout from that one was $0.01. And then just the little bit more we've been slowly putting in here, $1 here and $1 there. The last month we were paid out $0.01. This month we were paid out 3 cents. So already seeing a nice gain. So if I can get $3-4 more in there before the next ex-dividend date, which should be still a couple weeks out here, should be able to get that up to maybe 5 cents or so, which isn't a whole lot, but I mean, it's a nice payback, because again, we're going to get a double payback from this one, because again, it's way down. It normally trades around $85-90 a share. It's down around $50 right now. I think it actually I think it closed around $50 Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. 50 or 51, doesn't matter. Anyhow, so you're looking at it, it's at almost a 50% discount. It pays a good dividend. I can't remember what the annual dividend is or what it pays for a full share. I want to say it's $1 something. It's got to be, if I've got like 1/10 of a share and still getting $0.01, or less than 2/10 of a share, I'm getting 3 cents. So yeah, it sounds probably about right. Do the math on that. But yeah, so you're getting it at a big discount right now, and it's paying a dividend. So the more you put in, the more of that dividend you're going to get, and it's still at a low price because eventually that one is going to go back up there. I mean, you are going to get that one back up. Is it going to hit that $90 range, at $90 to $100 again? Hard to say with the way things are going, and with as slowly as some of these are going back up. I'm not sure if that one's going to hit that 90 anytime soon or ever again. I don't know. Is it going to get back up into that $70, $80 range? Absolutely. I could absolutely see that happening. So yeah, we're buying in low. We're getting the dividend payback. I mean, this is an absolute win. Over on, I think I talked about this on my last episode. Malone Money Mindset, great channel. Check him out if you have not already. He's got a weekly live stream that he does where he talks stock market, stocks. You go in there and you can put in your stock pick for the week, gives you a shout out, all that stuff. I actually threw in Realty Income as kind of my dark horse pick for the week. I still, even though it's been kind of a weird week, I just got a feeling here in the last couple trading days that thing's going to jump on us a little bit, and that it's based on percentage. So I feel like I could do very well with Realty Income this week. So it's dark horse pick for the week. Again, I'm no financial advisor. I'm no expert, obviously, or I would have a heck of a lot bigger portfolio than I do. But I do have a hunch that one's going to jump on us. The other thing here on Tuesday, I actually increased my position with JCPenney, which I talked in the last video. That's down. They are getting some backing for the $12 million interest payment that they were going to miss, but there's some issues with that, with the bank that's trying to help with that. So I don't know if that's going to go through, but it has had some peaks and valleys regardless throughout the week, and it's been up a little bit. But what I want to do is average that one down, because when I got into that one, I got 15 shares at 32 cents a piece, and I don't think it's going to hit 32 cents anytime soon, and it's a swing trade, so it's not one I want to sit here and hold on to forever. So I'm trying to help out couple of these swing trade stocks that I got into that I've been kind of stuck with a little longer than expected. So I did buy another 10 shares of that one. It was down at 24 cents, I want to say. So my average cost on that one right now is at 29 cents. So that's a little bit more realistic. I'd like to see that drop down a little bit more, so I can end up flipping that for a little bit of a profit there. Another one, again, I've mentioned before, the cryptocurrencies. Those got hit at least as hard as the regular stocks. So all those were just kind of an experimental thing when I got into them. And just to kind of try them out, I was using those as swing trades, and then that's when everything started to crash. So I ended up I've been stuck with those a lot longer than I ever expected to be into any of those cryptocurrencies. And the way some of them dropped, like Bitcoin dropped thousands of dollars. Ethereum, those all dropped significantly. So it's kind of hard to average those down. So right now I'm focused in on Dogecoin. I actually bought another, I think I threw 75 cents in there the other day. It kind of took a little bit of a dip, and I had some buying power, so I threw like 75 cents at it. Ended up, Dogecoin, if you're not familiar, it is like one of the lowest priced crypto coins. Like currently, last time I looked, it was trading at 0.0019 cents a coin. So, you can get a lot for little. So I put 75 cents in, and it bought me like another 375 shares. So that took my average cost down for the Dogecoin from 0.0027 cents down to 0.0025 or somewhere in there. It might have been zero. I think it was actually 0.0029. I think it was 0.0029, and it's down to 0.0025. As I get in and out of some things, I want to, and it's low, because I'm filming this on Thursday, and it was peaking up in that 0.002 range. But if it goes down under that 0.002, I would like to get in a little bit more there to get that average down. So as you know, if it peaks up into that 0.02122 range, I can get out of that and still come out ahead. So working on that one. So that is about it. So we covered JCPenney, we covered the Dogecoin, we covered Realty Income, we talked about our dips. I did say I had some news. I was actually going to do a separate video. So kind of a spoiler alert. I'm not going to say this is going to be the last video that I film on my cell phone, but it will definitely be one of them. Because I actually, when I got my stimulus check, I splurged and bought a camera. So I'll have like an actual real camera to shoot my YouTube videos, and it's one that it was rated very highly. It's recommended for vlogging and YouTube videos. So I was going to do an unboxing for it, but it didn't seem worth it because when I got it, it looks like it has all been repackaged. I got it through Amazon. It looks like it's been completely repackaged through Amazon. Because I got the microphone and everything with it, but it just came in like the most plain box ever. It doesn't even have the brand name on it or anything. So I'm pretty sure it was repackaged through Amazon completely. So didn't do an unboxing because I thought that'd be kind of boring the way it came. But that's some big news, is you won't have to worry so much about the shaky cam. The only thing I'm going to have to do is it was supposed to come with a tripod also, and it did not have the tripod included. So I got to find out if that was a typo or what the heck's going on with that. But so that's kind of exciting. So I'm actually going to use that for the first time when I get home. I mentioned in my last video I'm doing like a collab. It is way out of my comfort zone. It is like nothing I've ever done before. It is like nothing else on my channel. Probably won't ever, I don't know if I'll ever have anything like this on my channel again. It's so crazy and wild and wacky and out there. So I will be shooting my portion of the collab as soon as I get home here from driving up stocks with you all today. So that's going to be kind of exciting. I'm a little bit nervous about that. The good news for you all is you won't have to see this like scraggly caveman crap anymore, because I will actually, I'm keeping the beard. I trimmed the beard down. I'm keeping the beard, but all this crappy scruff that's growing in, I don't even know if you can really see it on camera, but it drives me nuts. I hate it when it gets like that. That's all going to be gone as part of this video. So that's exciting. So you'll get to see a much more handsome and dapper looking me after this collab video has been shot. So that's a good thing. I think that's about it. So by the time I do the next update video, I will have put in my $10 for the month. So that will be our Monday video, which covers how we did on how we finished out the week, and then how we started off Monday morning. So I will have my $10 in there. I'll let you know between howdy neighbors, between Wednesday and obviously the close of trade on Friday, if I get in or out of any other positions, or what I end up doing with that $10, or if I just kind of leave it hanging out there. But that is my updates for this time around. Anything, again, I haven't really been talking about anything crazy or specific, so if you guys have any ideas for anything you'd want me to talk about on these or break down, please let me know. Again, I'm in the process of remodeling and moving. I decided I laid tile for the first time ever. I've never done any kind of tile work. I laid tiles in our new entryway. Absolute great time doing it. I could see myself having a living, like making a living laying tile, just full time, all day, every day. But nose goes. Hard pass on the grout work. I didn't do so hot with the grout. Luckily, I Bob Rossed that thing and made it a happy little accident. And my lady friend absolutely loved it. So it ended up working out that I wasn't in the doghouse on that one. But I think it turned out great. It had a nice effect with what ended up working out with it. So pretty cool. But never did that before. So in the process of moving. I got about another week to go. We're trying to move one room every day and then take time to clean up the old house as we're moving out the rental property. So it's been kind of slow process. So I'm, obviously working full time, doing the stocks, and then trying to move. So I'm absolutely beat, exhausted, but I'm trying to stay upbeat, positive for y'all. So I appreciate you tuning in. I appreciate you giving me, this time out of your day. Again, let me know if there's anything you want me to talk about. I'll make sure to work it in. The reason I was talking about the remodel is because I do have space set aside where I can do some like sit down videos that are not in the car. I got some ideas on how to still incorporate, still being able to incorporate the driving up stocks aspect, and that kind of idea. So kind of anxious to get that all rolling, but that's going to be a few weeks out before I get that space set up. I've got it set aside, but right now as we're moving stuff out and getting things moved around, there's a lot of stuff in that area, so that's going to take a little bit of time to get set up. But I'll be able to do some things like my long lost dividend video. There was a request a while back about breaking down like candlestick charts, so we'll get some of that stuff worked in there. So until next time, thank you for joining us as we drive up stocks, or currently how things are going with everything being real up and down, real volatile in the markets. We're just driving stocks at all, but our goal is to drive those things up. So thanks for tuning in. I appreciate your time. So until next time, thank you, YouTube. Have the most wonderful day.